segment today of the hike, like the last 20 kilometers were pretty shit. Nice paved road and traffic. I'll go to the supermarket quickly to buy water because I don't have water still. And I'm not sure, I'm actually considering now going to Lerjevallen and sleeping in the shelter there because it's a little bit closer. Got some water. And yeah, I'll see you at the campsite. I have no clue if that's visible, but that's my shelter and I can see it without lights. Welcome back to Cooking with Luigi. Today we have some fancy stuff again. First we have Jubek rice and we have some tea here. I don't know what this is. Warming chai. And then we have even some dessert. What is this? Vanilla rice pudding.